The reality is harsh. We live in an uncertain world, one where energy prices fluctuate quickly, water consumption is of concern, and downtime can put your business at risk. Driving efficiency and increasing productivity while managing energy costs and environmental concerns is the goal. But to do that, you need a comprehensive strategy, a plan to implement sustainable solutions, and ongoing support to better equip you to meet changing economic conditions and adapt to new demands.
Most of the companies out there don't have enough cash to invest into new businesses or growth opportunities. As a result of that, what they are looking for is, how can I reduce my operating costs as it is today? How can I get more capacity out of my production so that I can grow without having to invest money? Businesses today tend to take the approach of looking for the low-hanging fruits in their business to reduce the costs. Now, the problem with that approach is that you tend to solve a problem in a particular area of your business, but you transfer the problem to another area of your business. So the better way to do that is take a look at the whole plan, look at areas that you can invest in to save money or reduce costs or increase capacity, and then have a systematic approach to how you implement that.
In manufacturing, energy represents a large operational cost. Siemens has the industry know-how, expertise, and technology to improve your plant asset productivity while driving down energy and water consumption. We do it every day for our customers in a variety of diverse industries. In fact, Siemens solutions provide from 5% to as high as 30% sustained reductions in energy and water consumption depending upon current operations, in addition to reducing greenhouse gas emissions and increasing profitability. How do we do it? We're proactive.
Well, we have a really comprehensive process where we evaluate both the strategic and the tactical issues surrounding energy and environmental management. And through this process, we evaluate not only the technical aspects, but also the management processes. We use a computerized energy and water assessment tool to determine the level of maturity of the management processes, and that allows us to benchmark the results. And then next, our team goes into the facility to identify and evaluate energy and water conservation opportunities, which we can then implement to reduce energy intensity, overall consumption, and costs.
Siemens applies that same process and industry expertise to our own operations. In short, we walk the talk.
For example, one of the things is we have an energy efficiency program in every operation of ours. We go in specifically there, measure what we can save, and implement programs. Now, this is our own money being invested to reduce our own operational costs. The second thing that we do is we look at consumption of resources across the board. In fact, in Siemens Industry Inc. here in the US, we have a position at the highest level reporting to the CEO of the company whose job is to look into the sustainability issues across our operations. And what he does is continuously monitors all the consumptions of various resources in our operations and looks to see how we can optimize those.
And we do the same thing for our customers. We work with them every day to protect their past, current, and future investments through solutions that increase their productivity, flexibility, and ensure long-term sustainability.
If you want to know that you are on the right path towards achieving that, you need a lot of transparency. And transparency in terms of business means the metrics that you need to measure to see if you're on a sustainable path.
With energy costs projected to continue spiraling upward and federal regulators taking increasingly aggressive stances on harmful emissions and waste, energy and water efficiency will continue to be critical to the long-term viability of any industrial enterprise. With over 60,000 highly qualified Siemens employees in the U.S., we are where you are, ready to deliver what you need. From world-class engineering and services through to complete project implementation and management from one source. As partners, we'll work with you to not only meet your sustainability goals, but exceed them.